Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's enter the Play Store. Now we have to tap on the circle, which is your account. Of course, you will have to log in if you're not logged yet. And now just tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage, and as you can see, this is the list of all installed apps, and here we've got updates available. And basically all you have to do right now is to simply find the app you'd like to update and mark it. So let me pick, for example, this one and this one. And after that, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And right now, your device will download the updates, and after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually, that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.